Nicole, and in this lesson we are going to learn the song Pistol Packin' Mama, and we're going to use it to learn a D chord and an A7. And so in addition to teaching you those, I'm going to give you tips and tricks so that you can get it in both your mind and your muscles. I'm going to give you some few practice sessions. Then I'm going to give you some ideas for putting the strumming together with the song. So let's get ready. Okay, here's what your D chord looks like. Index finger, second fret on the G. You gotta slide your middle finger right in behind it, and then your ring finger goes on the E string. So you've got to get all three fingers in that second fret. Yeah, and there's not much to look at from here, so that hopefully the diagram will help you. So the first trick that I can give you to doing a D chord is making sure that your fingernails are super short. Like, I don't know if you can see that how the fingernails, they don't even come over the tips of the fingers. That's how short you need them, because I think of it as like you're putting they're like ballet slippers, like toe shoes, point shoes, and you're putting them like right on the tippy tips, because that's what you need in order to get that D to sound carefully. Now the other thing, just like on a G7 and the D minor, your hand needs to move up towards your head. So you've got a rotation like C you can play, and your fingers are more parallel. In order to get that D, you've got to move your arm up slightly. And I'm exaggerating, it doesn't have to be quite that exaggerated, but for educational purposes. A7 is a simple one finger chord. Right here on your E string, easy peasy. My first tip for you is, now that you know how a D chord goes and you've got inspiration to start practicing it, just sit yourself down, have a nice cup of tea or coffee or a soda or something, and just sit down and just slowly go back and forth between the A and D, doing a thumb strum so you can make sure that each one of those strings rings clearly. Just a reminder that if something isn't ringing clearly, then you need to adjust your fingers around and make sure that you're not unintentionally muting a string. And usually that happens when your fingers are kind of falling down on the other strings when they're not supposed to. So working on getting a nice clean sound. Do that maybe for a couple days and then come back and do these drills. And as always, I've got timestamps down below. Ready to do some skills and drills? The way the chords switch is that you have 6 Ds followed by 2 A7s. Then you stay on that A7 and do 6 of them and back to 2 Ds. So I've got the graphic up there for you. Let's do it. We're going to run the pattern 4 times. Here we go. Ready, begin. It's D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to A7 and A7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to D. Do it again. It's D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to A7 for 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to D. Third time. It's D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to A7 and A7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to D. Again, it's D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and A7, 4, and now A7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to D. So practice this as many times as you need to feel comfortable. Got another drill for you to get up and running. We're going to put the cowboy strum with our pattern. So we're going to do it 4 times, just like we did before. Remember, the cowboy strum is down, 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 up. Just like that. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and here we go. It's D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch to A7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, switch to D. Keep it on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you doing on that? If you're ready, let's go on to the song. Help spread the ukulele love. Hit that subscribe button, put a like on this, even leave me a comment. I respond to all my comments. So let me know that you're appreciating these YouTube videos. The other thing that you can do is you can sponsor me on Patreon. These lessons are totally free. No problem, pistol packing mama. You can get chord charts out there on the internet, but I do chord charts that are a little bit more descriptive, have a little bit more tips and tricks thrown in with them, and you can get them for as low as $1 a month at patreon.com. So if you think you've got $12 a year to spend on your ukulele education, then please go to patreon.com. I've got the link down below. Subscribe. You can cancel at any time. The easiest way to start integrating singing is to put the chorus in because it's got so much repetition. Yeah, you've heard me say that before. Okay, so let's just do it together. It's just those 2 chords. It's the pattern that we practice. Let's do it together. Here we go. Lay that pistol down, babe. Lay that pistol down. Pistol packing mama. Lay that pistol down. So I'm just doing a single strum on it, just getting you so that you're getting a nice clean D sound on that. Let's do it again. Here we go. Lay that pistol down, babe. Lay that pistol down. Pistol packing mama. Lay that pistol down. If you're with me so far, let's try a chorus. No, I didn't mean this chorus. I mean to say, let's try a verse. Let's do the first chorus together. Let's just keep it with a single basic strum. See if you can keep up. Here we go. Ready, begin. Drinking beer in a cabaret. Was I having fun? Then one night she caught me right. And now I'm on the run. How'd that go? You ready to jazz it up a little? Let's move on if you are. Okay, join me for a real slow play along. We're just going to do 2 of the verses. We're going to do the ones that drinking beer in a cabaret, then one night she caught me right. And then we're also going to do the one she kicked out my windshield. We'll start with the chorus in the middle, and with the chorus. Just keeping it simple. Down strums. 1, 2, and here we go. Lay that pistol down, babe. Lay that pistol down. Pistol packing mama. Lay that pistol down. Drinking beer in a cabaret. away. Was I having fun? Then one night she caught me right, and now I'm on the run. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe. Lay that pistol down. Pistol packing mama. Lay that pistol down. She kicked out my windshield. She hit me over the head. She cussed and she cried and she said I lied and wished that I was dead. Oh, lay that pistol down, babe. Lay that pistol down. Pistol packing mama. Lay that pistol down. All right, I hope you're doing well. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. All right, until then, thank you so much and spread the ukulele love.